Hey everybody, it's Jeff back with KitterCards.com. We random the names and the teams. We've got everything lined up. There was one trade. Brad traded the Reds to Kent for the Blue Jays. So now Brad has the Blue Jays and Kent has the Reds. That was the only trade. So we've got 3 boxes here. We get set up and we will get moving. Trying this out on Ustream tonight. It's our first break on Ustream. We're pretty excited about it. I hope you guys are too. Well, let's get going. Appreciate everybody joining us tonight. Topps opening day. This is a product that's similar to where the hobby began a long time ago. There's, a little bit of glitz in this, but not as much as you get nowadays with a lot of your high-end products. So this is a 3-box break at a very affordable price. Another sellout tonight. We really appreciate everybody's support. Upside down. Foil on these packs is a little thin. Ripping it right apart here. Looks like the cards are going to be in multiple directions. Anybody watching the NCAA tournament tonight? The first 4, or I guess the second half of the first 4. Saw the ending of the first game. James Madison won. Oh, NIT, huh? Wow, these foils just ripping. How far into the Baylor game is it? Wow, they're romping early, huh? It's awesome. going. Represent the Big 12. We're in WVU land where we're from, where we're at, and you know, we struggled in our first Big 12 season, that's for sure. Guys, it may take me longer to get the packs open than it will to go through the cards. These packs are just disintegrating in my hands as I open them. A royal mess to clean up later with little pieces of foil everywhere. Oh yeah, every break we do, all cards ship. We don't hold any cards, guys. You guys bought them. They're yours. If I can get them out of the packaging. Yep, all cards ship in all our breaks. I don't know why in the world a breaker would break and not send you guys your cards. Yeah, I don't know why. I mean, I've broken with some folks before, and I tell you what, if all they sent me was the hits, I'd be like, where's all my cards? Alright guys, we finally have box 1 open. It only took me a few minutes. Let's start let's go through this. Basically looks like Series 1. Basically just looks like Series 1 here. The backs look very similar to Series 1 as well. So we're just going to go through these. There's a Superstar Celebrations, Bryce Harper for the Nationals. Blue Sparkle, Corey Hart for the Brewers. That one's numbered. Numbered out of 2013. It's 1416 out of 2013 for the Brewers. There's Gapper for the Reds, the mascot. Oh, check out this 3D card. These are cool. Opening day, David Ortiz for the Red Sox. They kind of blurred the background and then just did a regular picture with the object there, which in this case is Big Poppy. Really cool. It's got rounded edges on the corners. Very neat little card there. Almost like the old sports flicks from the 80s. It's got the similar feel to it. Superstar Celebration, Corey Hart for the Brewers. Here's the Philly Fanatic. Basically, it's like Series 1 all over again, just with the opening day stamp on them. And these different inserts here. Here's a Strasburg for the Nationals 3D. Very cool card. These blue sparkles are slick too. Hanley Ramirez for the Dodgers. 2012 of 2013. That's pretty cool. Play Hard, Carlos Ruiz for the Phillies. Another insert, not numbered. Ballpark Fun, Elvis Andrus for the Rangers. And a Superstar Celebrations Felix Hernandez with the Mariners. So far, the only thing that's numbered are the blue sparkles. There's Mr. Met, Mets mascot. Got an Angels, Albert Pujols, 3D. Play hard, Pedroia, Red Sox. Some of these packs got upside down. Blue Sparkle for the Blue Jays, Ricky Romero. 1694 of 2013. I don't know if the other Blue Sparkles have it as well. Yeah, they do, which the regular opening days do not. They also have a little foil stamp right above the opening day. It says April 1st, 2013. Really neat. Didn't notice that until we got to the third Blue Sparkle. There's a Jeter, Ballpark Fun for the Yankees. Superstar Celebration, Votto for the Reds. Slider for the Indians mascot. Joey Votto for the Reds, 3D. I don't know if you guys can really see this through the camera, but these are really cool looking cards. Again, remind you of the old sports flicks. They got that feel to them. Play hard, Matt Kemp. Ballpark Fun, Jason Worth for the Nationals. Stack 2 here. Justin Verlander, 3D for the Tigers. Blue Sparkle, Jose Bautista for the Blue Jays. 1685 of 2013. Play hard, Joe Mauer with the Twins. Ballpark Fun, Cabrera with the Tigers. Superstar Celebrations, Willingham with the Twins. Rodriguez with the Yankees. Play hard. Ballpark Fun, Albert Pujols with the Angels. Superstar Celebrations, Verlander with the Tigers. And a blue sparkle of Willing Rosario for the Rockies. Numbered 361 of 2013. All right, the last stack of box 1. Wally, the Green Monster for the Red Sox. Nice mascot card. Opening day, Derek Jeter, which from what they're saying today, he may not be an opening day. 3D card for the Yankees. Gotta have a cortisone shot in that surgically repaired ankle. Hopefully he'll be there, but you never know. Opening day, play hard, Gordon with the Royals. Ballpark Fun, Ortiz with the Red Sox. Josh Reddick with the A's, Superstar Celebration. Blue Sparkle, David Wright for the Mets. Numbered 1561 of 2013. Very nice blue sparkle. 3D, Buster Posey, the Giants. Play hard, Harper with the Nationals. Ballpark Fun, Longoria with the Rays. Superstar Celebrations, Posey with the Giants. There's a blue sparkle, Evan Longoria with the Rays. Numbered 155 of 2013. That's box 1. Let's go to box 2. Yeah, so far what we've seen, you know, I would think the blue sparkles, those are really cool. Of course, they're numbered to 2013. And the 3D cards in this are going to be the ones that are going to be the collectibles out of this set. Of course, youngsters get their hands on this. They might be all over those mascot cards. Those mascot cards are pretty cool. Stack one. That one was a little bit easier than the first box. Might actually be getting the hang of this. Opening these thinner foil packs. You get those thicker foil packs, you can kind of give them a good an opening. These you got to be a little bit more gentle with. They're a little bit thinner. And as soon as I say that, I struggle. Yeah, it's all right. We're having fun. That's all that matters. Two big football products coming out on Friday. Topps Valor and Totally Certified from Panini. And you guys, football guys, we got those listed up on KitterCards.com. Just click the shop link at the top of the homepage there. Take you right to the shop. Recently just updated the website and added some pages. We're still doing some updates on, especially on the Hit Parade tab, which is our big hits. I'm gonna revise that. I'm gonna make that a Hall of Fame page. All of our probably stuff numbered to 10 or less, or really cool autos, relics, stuff like that, and make it like a Hit Parade Hall of Fame. So that either the really unique hits or the ones that are very, very rare. So everybody can enjoy those. Oh, you got 4 boxes. I think that's what we're breaking. It's 4 boxes. Yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna be something else. And they showed a Jim Brown auto today. I about fell out of my chair. I'm like, man, you got Jim Brown in there? That's awesome. I'd like to see them mix in those veterans and retired stars and some of their other products, not just make it all rookie type products, especially the hits. All right, guys, box 2 is open. Start busting. Let's read these. Andrews Ballpark Fund for the Rangers. Felix Hernandez, Mariners, celebration again. Alex Cobb, Blue Sparkle with the Rays, numbered 951 of 2013. That's it for the Rays. There's the Rangers captain. Cool little mascot card. You pull a mascot auto or something, that'd be pretty sick. First 3D of the box. Albert Pujols for the Angels. Jimmy Rollins, Blue Sparkle for the Phillies. 5/15 of 2013. Play hard, David Wright. Parker for the Nationals. Jeter, Yankees, Ballpark Fun. Joey Votto with the Reds, celebration card. Blue Sparkle, Jonathan Neese. The Mets, 1309 of 2013. Another mascot for the Redbirds, the Cardinals, Fred Bird. Stack 2. Or the rest of stack 1, I should say. Second part of stack 1. Votto, 3D with the Reds. Celebration, Stanton with the Marlins. Screech with the Nationals. Josh Hamilton for the Angels, 3D. Ortiz with the Red Sox, play hard. Blue Sparkle, Ivan Nova for the Yankees. 1559 of 2013. Ballpark Fun, Hill for the Diamondbacks. Corey Hart for the Brewers, celebration. Oakland A's mascot, the old elephant. Boy, that Gordon for the Royals, that top corner there is bent a little bit. Notice that. Just let you know, whoever has the Royals. Came out of the pack like that. 3D, Strasburg for the Nationals. Play hard, Hayward for the Braves. That's a pretty cool card. Sand kicking up on him. Really cool picture there. Nice action shot. Alright, now on to stack 2 of box 2. Looking for an auto, printing plate, anything. Jeter 3D for the Yankees. Giancarlo Stanton for the Marlins, Blue Sparkle. 775 of 2013. Pujols play hard for the Angels. For set builders, this is a very nice, reasonably priced product. You probably put a set together fairly cheaply. Ballpark Fun, Ortiz for the Red Sox. Reddick with the A's celebration card. Mr. Met. Posey 3D for the Giants. Play hard. Freese with the Cardinals. Blue Sparkle. Kyle Seager with the Mariners. 4/15 of 2013. Longoria, Ballpark Fun with the Rays. Superstar Celebration, Buster Posey with the Giants. All right, last stack box 2. Play hard, Goldschmidt with the Diamondbacks. Ballpark Fun, Worth, the Nationals. Superstar Celebrations, Bryce Harper with the Nationals. Mariner Moose, the Mariners. Blue Sparkle, JJ Putz with the Diamondbacks. 14/50 of 2013. 3D of Big Poppy for the Red Sox. Lowry with the Blue Jays, play hard. Ballpark Fun, Pujols with the Angels. Celebrations of Verlander with the Tigers. Philly Fanatic. And that is box number 2. No autos or printing plates in that box. 1 box to go. Alright, come on, big hit. What we're looking for. stack. Stack 2. How do you guys like the audio and video on Ustream? I'm very curious to get your guys' feedback. Probably ask that in like the next 5 to 10 breaks I do, just to get everybody's feel for, you know, from your guys' perspective, how it looks, how it feels, what's good, what's bad, and if there's anything we can do to improve our end at least to help give you guys a better experience. And if you guys can if you ever can't make it onto Ustream to chat, you can always go to our website, kittercards.com, click the live stream tab, and watch the video right in the web browser. Kind of neat if you need to watch it on a smartphone or something, because you'll be able to chat really well on a smartphone anyway. Or you're on some mobile device of some sort and you just can't get to the Ustream, you can just do it right through kittercards.com. Alright guys, box 3 has been ripped open. So let's see what we have. Oh, we have an auto. Yes, we did. We pulled an auto. Just saw it when I picked the stack up. We will leave that to the end for the auto. Very cool. See? Must be beginner's luck here on Ustream. Pulled an auto. Pujols celebrations card for the Angels. The Atlanta Braves mascot. Haven't seen this 3D yet. Prince Fielder for the Tigers. Nice 3D card for the Tigers. Molina, play hard for the Cardinals. Blue Sparkle, Roy Halladay for the Phillies. 1462 of 2013. Ballpark Fun, Pedroia with the Red Sox. Celebrations, Mauer with the Twins. Baltimore Orioles mascot. About a Miguel Cabrera Blue Sparkle for the Tigers. 944 of 2013. Felix Hernandez for the Mariners 3D. Posey, play hard for the Giants. Prince Field or Ballpark Fun for the Tigers? Jordan Zimmermann for the Nationals. Blue Sparkle. Numbered 672 of 2013. Opening day for the Tigers. 3D, Miguel Cabrera. Totally different 3D cards in this box. Than the other two boxes we opened. Play Hard Mike Trout for the Angels. There's a fun one. Jay Bruce for the Reds, Ballpark Fun. Very cool picture. Celebrations. Zimmerman for the Nationals. Raymond for the Rays, their mascot. Ballpark Fun. Reddick for the A's. Another nice picture. That's the first stack. Let's go to stack 2. Play Hard, Big Poppy for the Red Sox. Ballpark Fun, Chapman with the Reds. Celebrations, Jason Worth with the Nationals. Chicago White Sox mascot. John Lester for the Red Sox. Blue Sparkle. Numbered 1631 of 2013. Ryan Braun 3D for the Brewers. Play Hard Hayward for the Braves. Ballpark Fun, Price with the Rays. Celebrations, Cabrera with the Tigers. Bernie Brewer going down the slide for the Brewers. Nice mascot picture there. And Ballpark Fun, Coco Crisp with the A's. All right, last stack. Then we'll go and see who the auto is. Trout for the Angels, Superstar Celebrations. Carlos Ruiz, Blue Sparkle for the Phillies. Numbered 1773 of 2013. There's TC for the Twins, mascot. Evan Longoria 3D. The Rays. Play hard. Bruce with the Reds. Ballpark Fun, Ramirez with the Dodgers. A's Blue Sparkle, Coco Crisp. 1959 of 2013. Swinging Friar for the Padres. That's a cool looking mascot right there. That's unique. Matt Kemp with the Dodgers, 3D. All right, let's grab this. Go through the last stack here, see who the auto is in box 3. Here's the Pirate Parrot. I'm going to go see him on opening day. The Pirates. Prince Fielder for the Tigers, Celebrations. And the auto is opening day autograph for the Mets, Justin Turner. Justin Turner goes to Christopher W. as the Mets. Nice auto. I do not see a number on it. Really glossy, nice and sharp. Very crisp. And that'll do it. That's the end of box 3. That's our 3-box break tonight. And we will be right back.